Navigation interface. Pull down menu. Wi-Fi 4G, Bluetooth, sound. Sound off, brightness, sound effects, clearing. Bluetooth connection function. Dialing, telephone books, calling history, Bluetooth music. Automatic Bluetooth connection. Disconnect Bluetooth. Enter original system. OEM navigation. Press top left corner home can back to Android system. Settings. Wi-Fi settings. Common settings. You can design boot screen by yourself. We have several reserved boost pictures. Search the picture file you will design. Pictures will show here. Adjust day and night backlights individually. Open auto mode. We can enter night backlight automatically. Adjust media, Navid, system, and Bluetooth calling. Volume individually. Sound effect settings. Can adjust loudness of different seats. Offer different sound experiences. Balanced loudness. 32 car audio tunings. Default sound effects, flat, pop, rock, jazz, classic.
像有一种人对那个频率很敏感的，可以在这里设置，但一般这个都没有什么人去搞的。这个视频的那个呢，行车禁止。
Disable playing video when driving. Open it. You can't play video when driving. You can choose to show this reversing assistant line or not. Control AC by knob, no touch. Also can go to the original AC panel. Can choose your favorite navigation app. Can choose auto connect Bluetooth or not. Auto answer call or not. Check Versoin info here. Check storage here. Check chip and Android version here. Choose multiple languages. Before using 360 view, we need to do some settings. Choose your right rear camera. Choose original camera. It will start working. Also can choose 360 camera. You can choose to activate 360 camera or not when you turn on turn light. Choose speed unit. Time of return to main screen after 360 camera. Can choose full screen display the original car system.
像现在这种呢，就是没有。假如说它原车的时候，这里两边没有虚拟按键的，它就会满屏，会全部满屏。混音，就例如说你放音乐跟打电话的时候，这个混音呢，通话切换呢，你打了勾，现在不打勾，音乐就是从这里出来，就从原车出来，就是打电话的时候。如果是你打
Choose your car type here.
这边的这个分辨率的这个
Choose your car square control type here.
原车的那个你就看上。
Choose your original car button type. We'll tell you which is right for you. If you can't, sure. Choose your original menu resolution. Click here. Head unit will restart, then it automatically matches the right original system display. Close screen. Close passenger screen. Settings. Sound effect shortcut key. Automatic parking. Radar. Different apps.
基本上这个就没什么好讲，因为这边的是这个功能。
Support Android Auto and Carplay.
华为，这个是苹果，这个是。对。连到了。
点下去点那个 Carplay，苹果上面，主机点 Carplay，主机要点 Carplay，不是，就在这切换，不是，长按，然后等待一下。哎，再连，这个比较好，这个比较重要，比较重要的一个功能。
它第一次要授权的时候稍微慢点。
Carplay interface.
地图、音乐这些。哇，好酷哦！这一下
音乐呢？音乐有声音吗？
就是要先切换到原车嘛，先切换到原车，这里选媒体。
Choose sound from USB aux.
选到 USB AUX， 选到这里，以后呢再返回。
Then you can enjoy Carplay music.
等一下，他要把手机。Disconnect Wi-Fi to existing CarPlay. Suggest turning off the automatically connected. This small black box is for USB aux. Unplug this box. No USB aux. We can use Bluetooth earphone to connect the passenger screen, then enjoy music under. No effects of main screen. Settings of passenger screen only for passenger screen. It won't affect main screen.
对，它这边就只针对副屏的设置，你看到没有？它没有多少功能了，所以呢，这里面的东西呢，其实这边的功能呢跟这边的设置是一样的，你看到没有？只是缩小简易版，看到没有？
Passenger screen also can connect CarPlay.
然后呢，应用就点这里进去，是吧？
这个可以连 CarPlay，
可以，
也是一样可以连 CarPlay 的。
也要设置出来就行，但是也可以连的。哦。